Sari!
Hi Sari, so what are we going to do today? We're going to try and draw something on the plate, and we'll try to see if it will float or dance when we add
Water.
We're going to add water. So what do you need? You'll need
Markers.
different colored markers. So we're using a whiteboard marker. What else?
Water.
Water and plates. Can you tell me the colors of your markers?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, pink, and black and blue.
So what are you going to draw for this whiteboard marker and water experiment?
A person.
A person. Draw. That's a cute little person. Nice. Okay. So we'll just let it dry for a little bit, and then we will put water. Now we will try to add what?
Water. Water.
Water. Lay it down.
It is.
Yay! Ooh, look at that. It is dancing. Nice, Sari. Oh, that is super cool.
Yeah.
It is floating now. Trying to swim.
Like that.
That's super cool.
Yeah. That's super cool.
So we prepared a few drawings for Sari to play with. We've got a person, and we've got, what are those? Sea creatures.
With the seaweed.
Fishes, an
Seaweed.
octopus, seaweed. So we'll try to see if this one will
Blue.
swim.
Yeah.
Add water and see if it's gonna
Float.
float.
Come on.
It is. Can you try and move it? Slowly, gently, gently. Move it. It's dancing. Dancing. Yeah. You see it waving.
Hi.
Hi.
He's moving.
It's moving. Ah, that's really cool. Okay, now we have our sea creatures, and we will try to make them float. Are you ready? There goes the starfish.
There goes the starfish.
And the octopus. Swirling, swirling.
The starfish is a boy.
And they're dancing, Sari.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Wow, super fun.
Nice.
You want to see something cool? It will stick on your skin.
Thank you for sharing this, Sari. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yeah, it was a fun activity. Alright.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.